What if I tell you that you can save your Excel in PDF format? This is very simple. In less than 1 minute, guys, you are good to go. Now, here's your Excel spreadsheet, and you want to save this in PDF format. Come to this file button, click on it. Then come to Save As, click on it. Then here, locate the place you want to save your project. So let me save this on my desktop. Here is my desktop. Click on it. Once you've done that, then a pop-up will come out like this. Then you can rename this. Now come to this button, Save As Type. Click on it. Scroll down to get to PDF. Click on this PDF. Now click on Save button. Now that I've done that, this I've saved in PDF format. Now close this page. Now go to the desktop and see the file here. Double click and open it. You can see, guys, in less than few seconds, we've been able to save our self document or file in the PDF format. If you hear this, if you have not subscribed, please subscribe for more updates like this.